When you haggle, you get better price for something. So what phrases we can use to say that something is very cheap? The first word is a bargain. When something is a bargain, that means it's very extremely cheap. It's when you go to the market and you see a t-shirt for 1 or 2 quid, it's a bargain. Another example, I found this beautiful necklace on sale. It's such a bargain, I had to buy it. When something is inexpensive, we can also say it's a steal. I couldn't believe it. I got this designer handbag for only 20 bucks. It's a steal. When the price of the items is reasonable and affordable, we can say it's a great deal. For instance, the price of this laptop is so low compared to others. It's a great deal. What's words and phrases we can use to tell that something is expensive? When the price is extremely high and unaffordable for many people, we can say that it costs a fortune. For example, I can't believe how much that painting costs. It's a fortune. When something is more expensive than you expected, or it's more expensive than the similar items in other shops, you can say it's pricey. For example, the hotel we stayed was really nice, but it was quite pricey. We enjoyed the hotel, but it was more expensive than we expected. When something is really expensive, you can say it cost an arm and a leg. I thought about buying that jacket, but it costed me an arm and a leg, so I didn't buy it. And the last word we're going to look at today, when something is really expensive, you can say it's overpriced. For instance, I like the quality, but this restaurant is overpriced for what they are offering. So it's a nice restaurant, but the price, they are too expensive for the offer. This is the end of our video. I invite you to write your own examples, what phrases we can use to tell that something is very cheap or very expensive. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.